A lot of us go camping to unplug, right? Just get outside and enjoy all the beauty that nature offers us. And that's all good until it rains. And while I'm a huge fan of board games, once in a while, it's nice to just fall back on watching a little TV. So let's talk about how to hook up and use cable TV at a campground. Now, assuming the campground you're at actually offers cable TV, here is how you hook it up. First off, you generally hook up cable after your RV is level and stabilized. You also need to make sure you've plugged into shore power, as most TVs in an RV are going to run on 120 volt. I also strongly recommend using a surge protector to protect your TV and other RV components from different electrical issues that can strike when you are out camping. Next, you'll want to locate your coaxial cable, or coax for short. If you don't have one already, you'll want to pick one up. Coax cables will vary in length, but you generally don't need anything over 50 feet. That'll allow you to set up your trailer however you want while usually still reaching the park's cable hookup. First step is to locate the cable input on your trailer. It'll usually be on the outside wall of your trailer, usually on the driver's side or in the docking station if your RV is equipped with one. Then locate the park's cable output. This should be next to the shore power hookup. You'll connect one end of your coax cable to your trailer and the other to the park's hookup. It doesn't matter which end you use, as both of the coax cables are going to be the same. Then head inside and turn on your TV and find the channel scan option in your TV's menu and run it. Channel configurations will change when you move, so you have to do this every time you plug into a new cable connection. Once the scan is complete, you'll be able to scroll through the available channels. Now, the channels you'll get will again vary greatly depending on region, but you should get access to all major networks like ABC, NBC, CBS, etc., and some local channels too. Just keep in mind that if you're looking for a sporting event, it may be a little tough if you're not in the region it's broadcast in. This is why some people opt for a satellite TV when they're RVing. Now, if you aren't getting any signal, here are a few troubleshooting tips to try. First, ensure the coax cable inside your trailer is actually connected to the back of your TV. This cable runs out of a port behind your TV. I know it's silly, but a lot of times this gets missed. Second, if you have a signal booster for Wi-Fi, cell signal, or antenna, ensure it's turned off so it doesn't interfere with your cable signal. You'll also want to ensure the extra loops of coax cable are not intertwined to help minimize AC power interference. And finally, a lot of RVs actually have distribution boxes in a cabinet somewhere near your TV. These boxes allow you to switch the TV input between your trailer's cable, satellite, and antenna connections. If you're still not getting a signal, you may need to change your TV's input to the cable selection on the distribution box. For more tutorials, be sure to subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you.